2-pack contains 2X remanufactured for Epson 273-273XL Black. Cartridge compatibility replaces Epson 273, Epson 273XL, Epson 273i. Page yield, up to 500 pages per black cartridge. Printer, for use with expression 520, 600, 610, 620, 800, 810, 820. High capacity and will display accurate ink levels. Contents: 2X remanufactured T273XL020 black ink cartridges. Page yield, up to 500 pages per black cartridge. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Be sure to shake and agitate the cartridge before installing, otherwise, they will skip or print out lightly. At first I thought they weren't good, but after doing this they work just fine. My Epson 610 recognizes them, but of course, gives warnings etc. Just override the warnings and use the cartridge.